Alright, hello, I'm Mish Chanchan and welcome back to our training. Okay, our training continues in our program, and today we'll be covering these few topics using cd dot dot and cd backslash. So we are already called ND and mkdir, CRS, and along the mode command. So again, we'll be covering cd command, the cd dot command, and the cd backslash command. So let's get started. Okay, if you can remember our previous video, we created this directory called color, yellow and blue, and here are directories: users, means the next, and here is blue, color and yellow. So these were the three directories we created. Now we say the cd command is used to change a directory. That means it is used to open a directory. It is the same as in Windows. Assuming we have this directory called desktop. Now this directory called desktop, it is not open. So for you to access any other subdirectories or folder within this directory called desktop, you have to double click or you right click to access any subdirectories or files within this directory called desktop. Watch it. When I open this directory called desktop, it's going to be showing within this prompt. Right now it is not showing within this address bar, right? So I'm double clicking. Now it shows within the address bar. Watch this address: c:\users means the next desktop. This simply means desktop is now open. So all other files that are located on the desktop, these are the files and folders. That is the importance of the cd, is to open a directory. So let us get started. This color directory, let us try to change this color directory, meaning to open this color directory. So we're going to type cd space color, color. Watch it. Now color here is now open within the prompt. It drops within the prompt. This means anything we'll do right now will be working within the color directory. Watch it. Let it be displayed in Windows. I'm clicking means the next. So here is color. I double click color to open it. Now you see color here now is open. There is no subdirectory within the color directory, but now we want to create three directories within this color directory, within this color or directory or folder. So let us do that. md space man, enter. md space girl, I enter. md space ball, I enter. So now we have created three directories within this color directory called man, girl and ball. Why? Because we use a command called cd to open this directory called color. So let us see the color directory. Now here are the 3 directories that are created in the color directory, right? So in this case we want to open this ball directory. So what can we do? We need to use the command called cd. So now we're going to say cd space ball. We'll hit enter, right? So this is the importance of the cd command. This is the importance of the cd command. It is used to open a directory. So whenever you want to open a directory and work within that directory in command prompt, we use the cd command. Alright, our next command we're going to be using is the cd ... This command is used to close a directory one at a time. I repeat, it is used to close a directory one at a time. cd ... command used to close a directory one at a time. What does that mean? The directory here or the folder here that is open is called color, right? So to close this color, you have to click this back button, or just click Manage the Next. So if I click this back button, it means color is closed. It is not open. I didn't close Manage the Next users. I only close color. So it means the cd ... command is used to close a folder or a directory one at a time. So if I want to close this Manage directory, I click on users. It means the Manage directory is closed. Only the Manage directory are just closed. So that's why that is the function of the cd ... command. Let us implement it. Now I have this ball directory open, and I want to close this ball directory. So it means to close the ball directory so that it cannot be opened within command prompt, I need to use the command called cd ... then I enter. Please do not place the name of the directory. So if you want to close that directory, only use a command called cd ... Are we there? I hope you are getting there. I hope you get there. It's very easy. So now this ball directory has been closed. So assuming I want to close this color directory, what should I do? I use the command called cd ... and then this color directory has been closed. So it means anything that will be done in this directory called Manage the Next. Let me just create a directory called md manage, and I enter. Here manage has been created, not in color and not in the ball, but it has been created in the directory called Manage the Next. Here is it. I double click because right now it is C drive : /user, while I created Manage the Next, right? So look here and you'll find a directory called Manage. Here is Manage. So cd ... is used to close a directory one at a time. Now cd / is used to close all open directories. This is used to close all opened directory. What does that mean? Here we have Manage. I want to open desktop. So in this prompt, in this address bar, we have C : /users /Manage the Next /desktop, right? Now I only want to close desktop, Manage the Next, and users, and be left with the C column, right? So how can I do that? I'm not going to click here. I'm not going to click here. I'm just going to click directly here. So if I click here, you're going to see all folders that is on a C drive. Watch it. I only left one C:/. So that's what I mean within command prompt. I want to get rid of Minch the Nest, and I want to get rid of users. But let's open a directory called quarter and a directory called ball. We did make quarter in a directory called Minch the Nest. So to open that directory, type cd space quarter and we hit enter. And don't forget, we also create a directory in quarter called man, girl, and ball. So I want to open the directory called girl. So cd space grrl and I hit enter. Now I have girl open, a directory called girl, and I have a directory called quarter, and I have a directory called Minch the Nest, and a directory called users. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 directories open. Now if I want to close these 4 directories and only be left with this C:// and this greater than with a blinking cursor, that's the time I need to type cd /. So let us type cd / and I hit enter. Now here we have C:// greater than. So it means the girl directory has been closed, color directory has been closed, Minch the Nest directory has been closed, and the users directory has been closed. So these are the function of the cd / command and the cd / command. Thank you. You can subscribe to my channel and click the upper thumb button, which is the like button. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.